So you can see the direction of movement there of the cold air. And the winds have been kicking up as well. The wind chills are running in the 20s right now. That's really what you want to dress for. Just had a 36-mile-per-hour gust in Annapolis and a 32-mile-per-hour gust at the airport. The winds will diminish a little bit later on this afternoon, but it's going to stay what you'd call at least breezy, bordering on windy. And then the lake effect snow machines are going, as Ava mentioned. They're just starting to kick in. This will get even stronger as we head through the day today, and some of these flurries will actually make it down towards Baltimore, but they're going to pick up a lot of snow out in western Maryland. The ski resorts have been praying for this, and they're finally going to get it. Garrett County could pick up anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of snow between now and Wednesday morning, so they'll have natural snow out there at the ski resorts here over the next couple of days, so good news for the skiers. Breezy, colder is our forecast, a mix of sun and clouds, and yeah, slight chance for some snow flurries. Temperatures between 36 and 41, but of course it will feel much colder than that because of the wind. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. Still a chance for some snow flurries. The temperatures will drop back into the 20s, and I think we're going to stay in the 20s tomorrow. A high temperature of only 29 on Tuesday. That'll be the core of the cold tomorrow, and still a chance for snow flurries. Wednesday morning, we're going to go down to 16 degrees. 33 for a high in the afternoon. Still in the teens on Thursday morning. And then I think it'll warm up by the time we hit the beginning of next weekend. There might be some rain, but it'll be back up close to 50.